Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of the Rice Rocketeer. Thanks for tuning in. Hold up, let me adjust my microphone right now. Hold on, one second. Better or worse? Today I'm headed out to Mineola Moto, as per usual. It's actually been a minute since I've been out there. But I wanted to shake it up, so I'm taking this weird route through Queens. This is like further Queens than I usually go. Ow! It's just gonna be some highway riding and checking on some friends. I haven't seen Kenny and Mike in a minute. It's gonna be nice. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Stick around for a fun ride on this here all-American V-twin. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, like the video, all that good stuff. Let's go. Woo! Not waiting for that. What am I doing here? There we go. Alright, I got some direction. I got directions going to my headphone, and it's like, sometimes they give me late directions, and it's like, yo, what the fuck am I supposed to do with this, man? Here we go. I'm assuming I'm getting on this underpass here. Already just fucking open this bike up. Let's go. Got some energy today. Left here at some point, but that is a ooh. Okay, now we're on here. I got a feeling I'm gonna get lost today. Ha! Oh shit. Oh, fucking terrible roads. Kinda missed the old one. Exactly what I needed. Water up ahead. Telltale sign. Alright. I'm assuming I'm sticking left. is okay. All right, not bad. Oh. What am I listening to? What is this garbage in my ear? There we go. Get something. I need something that's gonna hype me up, not bring me down. I already know like the entire sky is going to be blown out because it's all white. These overcast days are nice like to actually ride, but in terms of editing, terrible, terrible, terrible. Which way? Which way? Long Island, that's where I want to go. That's stick to the left is what I heard. Oh, we're avoiding the terribleness. Oh shit, there's another fork. Too many forks here. Oh, that's an exit. Ow. There we go, there we go. I'm not used to not knowing where I'm going. It's such a routine. Like every place I go, it's like ingrained in the back of my skull. So this one's a little bit different. Ow, ow. I love when the engine like smooths out that power band. You know, just that little that tip, the tip over into the power band is so wonderful. And I feel like it's in the movies when things shit when things go warp speed and you see all the lights kind of start to trail, to streak. Amazing. I gotta get out here, but these gaps. There we go. Yeah, this bike I think I gotta look down, but I think it's at like 7,000 RPM when everything just kind of pulls together and becomes a totally different animal. I would die for a 2-to-1 exhaust. I think that would change everything. But most of the time in the city, I don't even ever like touch the good part of this bike. It's the same with any motorcycle I've owned. You never, like, the city's just so slow moving and so congested that you never get to enjoy it. So like, should be like mandatory once a week. You got to get out of the city, go on the highway, even if it's for like 4 miles, just to like to make that bike work the way it's supposed to, you know. So this road is a little more fun because it has turns, but holy shit, it's like so terrible. And this guy is fucking sporty right here. He's wanting to fucking go. Terrible, terrible, terrible. God, Jesus. Okay, here we go. Look at this. Oh, yeah. Very short-lived. I guess they were working on a budget. And we're back. baby. I know exactly where I'm at. Okay, I get it. That's where I pulled over last time. Okay, I know where I'm at. I will say, that was a lot more entertaining than the usual way. Although the road was horrendous. That was like terrible. You have to be like locked in. I can't see riding, especially on this bike at night on that road. I'd be dead. I should also get a new light. Very residential in here. Very, very residential. That's it. There's one block off. little struggle right there. GSX S1000. I was considering this bike when I was looking at my triple. Pretty dope bike. Alright guys, that's the ride. That was fun. Different. Had to switch it up. Good to get back on the bike though. Thanks for joining for the ride, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Make sure to subscribe. Give the video a like. Peace.